Most people don't know that they can actually make money with ChatGPT, a free AI tool, in 2025. Currently, I am in Nigeria and I'm still able to access this tool. So on today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step a short but detailed 9 minutes video on how you can get started and start making money online in 2025. If you are new here, my name is Rookie Rich, and on this channel I teach tips on how to make money online, business ideas, side hustle ideas. So yeah, welcome to join the family and let us get started. The first step is you want to head over to ChatGPT and type in something like, give me a list of 20 most popular niche and category when it comes to book. Okay, book. And now you can choose any category that you want, but today's video we're actually going to make use of book. So now I'm just going to type in that and I'm going to click on send. Okay, so let me wait for it to generate. Okay, it says here are the so this is the list of what ChatGPT has generated for me. The first one is self-help and personal development, like habits, motivation, topics like that. So if you scroll down, you will see we have business and entrepreneurship, we have health and wellness, we have so many books that we can choose from. But for the purpose of today's video, we're actually going to make use of the first option right here, which is self-help and personal development. So you can just type in a follow-up prompt of what are the most popular books when it comes to self-development category, because that is what we actually make use of on today's video. So look at what ChatGPT has actually generated for us. So we have how to win friends and influence people, we have atomic habits, and so on and so forth. So these are the trendy books in the self-development category that people are currently searching for day to day on the internet. And don't worry, to make money on today's video, you are not reading any book at all. In fact, there are two ways that you can make money with ChatGPT on today's video, and the second one is my absolute favorite, so make sure that you stick around. So let us dive into the first way that you can make money on today's video. So you want to go back to your phone browser again and search for Audible. For those of you that are not familiar with how Audible works, it's a platform where you can read books, okay, where you can read books. Next thing you want to do is to search for Audible affiliates. How you can get started is to advertise, drive traffic to the website, and earn money when your visitor buy Audible products or when they read books. You can earn $10 when someone use your link to buy book and read book on Audible. You can earn $5 when they just sign in. Okay, when they just sign in for totally free, you can earn $5, and you'll be able to earn 20% commission when they purchase the book, aside the $10 that you are earning. This is one of the frequently asked questions. This person says, does a visitor need to complete the Audible 30 days free trial before I get paid? And they answered no. You will earn advertising fee. That is, when someone is reading a book for free, you know, all those ads that pop up, you'll be able to earn money from it. Okay, it's just like a YouTube, but you are not the one that owns the YouTube channel. So do you understand what I'm talking about? So for you to get started, you want to click on become an affiliate. You need to change your phone mode to request desktop websites before you get started. So you will be asked to input your information, your address, your city, your country. After doing that, your dashboard is going to look like this. So because we are targeting book niche, so I'm actually going to come to this search bar and search for Atomic Habits as an example of the book that I'm going to be using on today's video. So this is what is going to generate for you if you search for Atomic Habits. So if I click on this, people can actually read this book for totally free. It says enjoy a free trial on us, $0, right? And you'll be able to earn $5. So what you want to do is to come over to the left hand side and click on your link. Now we are going to head over to a platform called Shrink to short the link and potentially earn money. So if you feel like, okay, people are not even going to purchase on Audible, but you still want to make money, Shrink will give you $20 when people click on the link through Shrink. Okay, now the reason why they are giving you this free money, I won't say it's actually a free money because you are working for it. When people click on the link, they will see adverts that Shrink will place on their own platform. When they watch that video, Shrink is earning money, and Shrink will reward you too by giving you money. So let me quickly show you how to navigate Shrink. So you want to go over to your phone browser again and search for Shrink. As you can see, you can paste the link here, but you have to log in before you do that. So you get $20 like I explained earlier on today's video. The first step is to create the account. The second step is to shorten the link, and the third step is to earn money on Shriken. So after you've created an account, this is what your dashboard is actually going to look like. You want to come over to the left hand side and click on new shorten link. So you'll be able to paste any link here, and you'll be able to click on shorten, and you'll also be able to withdraw your money. So if you don't want to use the link of Audible, then you can go to YouTube and search for videos that are actually talking about that book. For example, Atomic Habits. Type in Atomic Habits. You will see videos that you can click on any link, any videos link, go to Shriken, paste the link, and you'll be able to earn money whenever someone that is interested in that particular topic is searching for that particular book on the internet. They see your link, they click, you'll be able to earn money directly into your bank account. For you to be able to get people that will click on the link, because that is the main body of today's video, you want to open a Twitter account. For those of you that don't have a Twitter account already, after watching this video, go and create a Twitter account. 3 ways that you can go about it on Twitter. The first one is you want to create a page that is solely related on the niche that you're talking about, which is self-development and book niche. Strictly, just the way I created a YouTube page that is strictly about making money. Okay, the second method is summary of a book. That is, you want to summarize any book that you are promoting. It is not even difficult to do that at all. You can go to ChatGPT and tell it to summarize summary of Atomic Habits, for example. You will tell it to break it down to make it a Twitter thread that you can post every day, and you can generate images that you can add to your tweets to make it interesting and not boring for those that are on Twitter and searching for new books every day. The third method is to add a link to your tweets, so that when people that are interested in that book, when they read the Atomic Habits and they read the summary, they're like, wow, they want to read more. They click on your Shriken link. You are earning money, right? The way you can get people on Twitter is to break your tweets down into thread and be consistent. All right, be consistent. I don't want to dive into the practical aspects of Twitter, but that exactly is how we're going to navigate Twitter. Now, the second and my absolute favorite way to make money on today's video, I told you in the beginning of this video, we're actually going to make use of 2 methods. The first method is the Audible method. Now, the second method is Skool method. This is a new platform that is called skool.com. Let me quickly show you how it works. So skool.com is a platform that allows you to get engagement and get audience. You'll be able to build a community of people that are willing to pay for whatever it is that we are bringing to the table. So you can sign up on skool.com. You can just create an account on skool.com. It's totally free. It has 14 days free trial, which I feel like it is actually worth it. The owner of this skool.com is Alex Omozi. I am sure that you guys know who Alex Omozi is on YouTube. The owner of this Skool website has 330 paid members that are paying $100 per service. That is more than $30,000 he has been able to generate from skool.com. As you can see, it's available in Nigeria. This is Ondo, Nigeria. So yeah, it is available in all countries. We all know that the best way to make money online in 2025 is to have a community of people that you can sell your products and your services to. All the celebrities, they build their audience, and at the end of the day, they will start launching their own business. They will start launching their own brand, because they know that they have a community of people. Even if there's no social media anymore, they have people that will still purchase their products. So the best way, if you don't want to be tied down by affiliating on Audible, then you can just have your own community on Skool. Be a boss of your own. But this will take a longer time than when you are just an affiliate. But at the end of the day, it's like you starting a business already. I want to take advantage of this skool.com because it is still new. It is not saturated. 5 years ago, if someone advised you that start creating content on TikTok, you'll be like, who is going to watch? Look at it now. TikTok is like the biggest platform that everybody is on TikTok. Literally everybody is on TikTok. So skool.com is like that. It is coming up gradually. So if you're able to build a community of people that you can sell your service to, then you'll be able to charge any amount of money that you want, $50, $100, $150 for people to join your community, and you'll be able to make passive income. So yeah, that brings us right into the end of today's video. If you have any question, drop a comment below. I am definitely going to respond. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.